What if I told you that this is the key to being happier and healthier? The answer is within you. Science is now learning that humans are made up of approximately 70 trillion cells. 38 trillion belong to an invisible organ that lives in and on the body, made up of microbes, bacteria, and fungi. This is called, wait for it, the microbiome. The microbiome affects basically everything. That's because each of these bacteria play a crucial role in the body's mission to keep us happy and healthy. They help to break down the food we eat, strengthen our body's defense system, manage energy, and so much more. The problem is, because of processed foods, poor sleep, and overall stressful lifestyles, we are constantly introducing unwanted bacteria into our bodies. These unwanted bacteria consume the limited space in our gut, leaving no room for beneficial bacteria to exist. So, what do we do? To restore balance and diversity to the microbiome, we need some support. For a long-term and effective approach, PB Restore has your back, literally. Here's how it works. After years of study and research, we figured out a two-part approach to eliminate unwanted bacteria and introduce beneficial bacteria back into the microbiome. PB Restore uses 4 types of bacteriophages, or good viruses, that act as secret agents. They enter the gut to target and eliminate unwanted bacteria from our system. Once we freed up some well-deserved real estate for the good guys, PB Restore floods the microbiome with approximately 18 billion active cells made up of pre- and post-biotics. This means that the beneficial bacteria are here to stay. And good bacteria means strong results. Diversity of bacteria and fungi ensures that your body has the tools that it needs to help keep you living happy and healthy. Simply put, when you take care of your microbiome, it takes care of you. Try PB Restore today. And don't worry, if you're not satisfied, PB Restore is backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose.